Hi, I'm Uma. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve the colossal curls. Nobody would like a boring straight looking hair. We're going to have some curls into a hair so we can have this very nice flow towards our look. It'll frame her face really well, and curls are going to be more softer, more fuller and more of volume. So I'm going to quickly take into the easy methods where it will be easy for you to do it at home. Just going to section our hair first. Just section our hair into two, as you see. Going to just secure the section first. Going to start up from the nape, that's the bottom of our hair. All we need is an ironing machine and a foil paper. Yeah, just keep them ready and you're ready to go. So all you do is just twist, 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 hold them on, put them into a foil and just roll it up. Same thing on the other side, twist, 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 keep them holding on. You foil wrap them again. We need to keep doing this to the entire hair and start off from this to the roots. If you want it more tight, then you go on rolling till the roots of your hair. So what you see now is all a hair rolled up into the foil paper, and what you need now is an ironing machine. The maximum temperature around 180 to 190 to be on the safer side, and to remind, we have always used a heat protection spray before we start off with any looks of the hair. So what I'm doing is I'm just holding on to the foil and just putting a little bit of heat on top of the foil. So we're going to continue on all the foils, just a few seconds on every foil. We are done with the foiling right now. So all you have to just is open out every single foil without disturbing the next one. There you go. And remember, always start off from the bottom so you don't disturb the curls which is above. Yes, so we have removed the foils. As you see, this is going to be the result after removing the foils. Now all that you have to do is just tousle the hair to bring down the curls a little more softer, or if you like to have it more retro, you could leave down to this. Let me just teach you how to just open out the curls slowly. Just move your fingers into the hair and just open out slowly without disturbing the hair.